To log into your ePortfolio, enter your username and password, and once logged in, you will see your homepage. Each user will contain a personalized homepage. From here, there are a number of useful links from the main navigation bar and the sub-navigation. This is the Assessor's view of the homepage. The Verifier will have a similar content, although there will be some differences which I will explain when I am transitioning between the Assessor and the Verifier. Any news or events will appear here. We will now go through all the sub-navigation. The Assessor Tasks section only applies if you've been nominated as an assessor and contains details about any elements awaiting review, along with any that are overdue or have been referred back from the verifier. Information in the verifier tasks will only be used if you've been nominated as a verifier for certain learners. I will log in as the verifier now. This page will show all elements needed for verification, plus those which have been referred back to the assessor. You can also view upcoming sampling plans. The process tasks is used to set up tasks for a member of staff with the deadline. Some examples is to check candidates' declarations has been signed, an internal questionnaire has been completed by a candidate, and this can all be set up by your admin manager. The messages board will show any relevant information regarding Learning Assistant. The appointment page will show any appointment you have been assigned to attend and details about them. The resources page will show any helpful resources which have been made available for you. LA Anywhere is a feature which allows you to access the ePortfolios from a tablet, mobile phone, or a desktop app. Now we will look at the main navigation. The navigation features are the same for both an assessor and a verifier. As I am already logged in as the verifier, I will continue using this account. Use the Learners page to view learner details, including how each learner is progressing through their course. You can do this by filtering your search to find your particular student. While browsing through your learners, some useful features can be located here. Comments allow you to enter a unique message for each individual student. The next link is the evidence uploads link, and will update if the student has added any new evidence since your last visit. Diary entries link to their contact diary, and the last link is the Journey tab. I will go through what these links mean later in the video when I'm going through the student page. Clicking on a learner's name will take you to their ePortfolio. Once inside the portfolio, you can browse through their course structure. The evidence folder stores the student's evidence documents, which will be used to support their competence claims. The registration page will show you the learner's personal details. The contact diary allows you to enter a record of meetings, messages, and assessment feedback between you and your learners. The reviews will show a list of all reviews which have happened or will take place in the future. From here, you can edit all reviews regarding you and the learners. You can also add a new review date. I will create a basic review for the learner on the 31st of July. Fill out the review activity. After completion, click Save. On your homepage, you will now have an activity for upcoming reviews, and the student will also see this. When the review activity has finished, you can manually edit this review and keep a record of it. You can then view the personal development record for the student to check over their own progress and development. By selecting the journey on the navigation bar, you will be given an overview of the student's progress throughout their course. You can also send a quick message to the accompanying assessor or verifier for this student by selecting this message icon. The News and Events tab will give you a more detailed look at articles which might be to your interest, as well as information about forthcoming events. The appointment page is unique and updates on the particular user. This lets you keep a record of meetings or visits that have been arranged, and I will create a quick appointment to show you it being updated. The forums are a collection of online discussions which can be contributed to by learners and trainers. You can only view forums which are related to your account. Within the personal development record, you can log all your own training and development, such as learning plans, courses attended, and qualifications gained. The sampling summary allows you to view reports of units sampled in order to make sure sampling occurs evenly and according to the center sampling strategy. Finally, the message center is used to directly communicate with others and keep an archived record of messages sent and received. You can also get a pop-up action menu in which you can access a number of useful features quickly. Clicking on Learners will give you a quick search bar. Clicking on Avatar will change your avatar. Clicking on Password will change your password. You can also click on Suggestions if you can't think of a new password. Clicking on Messages will allow you to change email settings and how messages will be monitored. Clicking on Preferences will allow you to change these settings. When you have finished, make sure you click Log Out to log out of your account and return to the login screen.